Hello everyone, today I'm going to make noodles. First, I boiled small prawns, then poured them into a bowl. Add oil to a pan, then add ginger and garlic paste, cook them for a second, then add spicy noodle sauce, and then add prawns, cook them. Add soya sauce and ketchup, add milk, and cook for a few minutes after cooking. Sprinkle green onion and then put boiled noodles in a bowl and put the prawn sauce on it, and our noodles are ready for lunch. I hope you like this video. See you in the next video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make spicy, delicious, and crunchy chips for movie time. Wash and peel the potatoes. You can leave the skin on for a different texture and added nutrients. Using a mandolin slicer or a sharp knife, thinly slice the potatoes. Aim for consistent thickness to ensure even cooking. Boil the potato slices in water for about 1 minute. Drain the potato slices and pat them dry with a clean kitchen towel or paper towel. Fry the potato slices until they are golden brown and crispy. This usually takes 3 to 5 minutes per batch. If you like this video, hit the like button and leave a beautiful comment on it. To watch more videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make spicy, delicious Chinese noodles in some different ways. So here we go. Boil the noodles in a pot for a few minutes, and then cut green chilies, red chilies, garlic, and ginger paste in a bowl and add hot oil to it. Then add soya sauce, spicy ketchup, and then add Sprite. Then mix it well. Put some meat and cucumber, peanuts, and then add all the sauce to the noodles in a second. Boil the noodles and make the same sauce, then mix it well. Put some meat and cucumber, peanuts, and carrots, and then add all the sauce to the noodles. Third, in boiling the noodles, add milk, hot dogs, pieces of meat, and boil the egg. Add some cheese and cook for 5 minutes, and then add spicy sauce and chili flakes. I hope you like this video. For watching more videos, subscribe my channel. Hello everyone, today I am going to make some delicious potato recipes. Boil the potatoes for a few minutes, then peel off them and smash them well. Pour them into a small bowl. Put them on a plate. Make a tamarind sauce and pour it on the smashed potatoes. And enjoy it. Second, take 3 boiled potatoes and add some pieces of cucumber, 2 boiled eggs, and chopped carrots. Add black pepper and mayo and mix all the ingredients well. Third, add chopped carrots and flour to the boiled potatoes and mix it well. Then make a circle and cut it into the small cubes, put them into the tray, and bake it well. And here we go.